How to add images to AI flashcards. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. Next, go to the flashcard set where you want to add an image or create a new set if you haven't made one yet. Once inside the set, tap to add a new flashcard or edit an existing one. Now in the flashcard editor, you will see an option to insert media or add an image. Tap on it and upload image from your gallery. Once the image is selected, it will automatically be attached to the flashcard. After adding the image, make sure to save the flashcard. You can repeat this process for as many cards as you'd like, creating a personalized study set with both text and visuals. Now you know how to add images to AI flashcards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.